I'm sure that by now some of you have seen these crazy AI videos on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. These animal fusion videos get millions of views, and I want to teach you how you can also do this. Right now, only a few YouTube accounts are doing this. By uploading these unique videos, they gain many subscribers and are making thousands of dollars. This guy made $15,000 in just a month. At the end of this video, I'll also show you how you can monetize your channel, but you'll have to pay close attention because there are some important details you might miss. I'll try my best to make this short and beneficial. Now, let's begin. You all must be familiar with ChatGPT by now. If you're not, that's okay, because it's not that hard to start. The first thing we have to do is to get prompts for our images, and for that, we'll use ChatGPT. There is a single prompt that we can use for both images, and I have provided this in the description below. After sending this, ChatGPT in response will send 2 detailed prompts, which we will use for the images. In the first prompt, the animals are separate, and in the second one, there is a hybrid version of the animals. The second step is actually to generate the images. From the Play Store, you can download the Microsoft Designer app. After signing in, you can freely generate images in this app. First, click on the plus icon and then click on Images. A page will open, allowing you to give the description. Here, you will paste the prompt that ChatGPT has given you. But before you do that, make sure to set the size of your image. Since you are making short videos, we will use portrait size. After pasting the prompt and clicking on Generate, you will soon get 4 images. You can see how good the quality of these images is, and you can pick whichever one you like best. To download, just click on the Save button. You can repeat the same process for the second prompt from ChatGPT, and once again, download the image that you like best. Now that we have our images, the third step is to convert them into a video. For this, search Video AI on Google. Open the first website that shows up. After signing in, click on the 3 dots at the top right corner and go to the desktop site. This is if you are doing it from your phone, as on the laptop you will already be on the desktop version. Next, click on the 3 lines and click on Create Video. You will now see an interface like this. After clicking on the gallery option, you will be able to upload the image, which you want to convert into a video. After getting your image, you can write a prompt regarding what you want to happen in the video. For example, both are next to each other, or something similar that you prefer. Now, click on the Create option below, and your video will be created in just a few seconds. After this, you can click on the Download option. See how good the video looks? Now, if you want to make it higher quality, there's even an option for that. Click on the Upscale option below the video. This will take up 4 credits. After you confirm, the video will soon be available in HD quality. You can download it and see how much the quality improves. Now you just have to repeat the same process for the second image that you generated and convert it into a video. For the prompt, you can use something like stare into the camera and stand in one place, as this time it's a hybrid image. You can download the second video the same way and improve the quality using the Upscale option. What makes Video AI so useful is that you can make 15 to 20 videos for free, as you get 80 credits every month. If you want to do more, you can always make another account. So now that your videos are made, let's come to the final step, video editing. For this, you can use the VN editor, as you get lots of transitions and effects for free. After going to the app, click on the plus icon and then on a new project. You can now click on the videos that you generated using AI from your gallery. First, take the one with animals separated, and then the one with them in hybrid form. After clicking on Next, the videos will appear on your timeline, one after the other. You will now click on the Crop option and take the 9:16 ratio. Crop the video size a bit so that the watermark is removed. After doing this, click on the option that allows you to add a subtitle and click on Text. Next, click on Add a little bit of body text. Here you will write lion plus giraffe and then adjust the text into the top part of the video. You only have to make this text appear for the duration of the first video. You can also add motion to the text by clicking on it and selecting the motion option. Here, you will have a few options, such as making it fade or slide. After this, you can click on the FX option at the bottom of the page. Here you can pick any effect you like. Usually people pick the Spin 01 effect. So let's choose that. After you are done with the first video, you can also add effects to the second video. Here we will add the Soul effect. Now, click on the plus icon and add the white transition into the first video. After this, do the same for the second video, but this time add the Rotate 1 transition. Now that the video editing is complete, you can add any music or sound that you like. For this, click on Add Music, and then click on Music and My Music. From here, you can choose what you want to add and click OK. The music will appear on your timeline. You can adjust the volume from here. The video is now ready, and you can save it on your phone using the option above. In the export settings, the resolution should be 4K, and the FPS should be 30. After this, click Export, and the video will start downloading. So, this is how you can quickly upload videos and grow your channel. But here's the important part. This is not enough to monetize your channel. In order to do that, you should add a bit of your voice at the beginning. You can say something like Lion and Giraffe Fusion in this case. In order to get monetized, there needs to be some involvement from yourself as well. So, that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video was beneficial, and see you next time.